Use LÄVO machines to infuse flour into milk, honey, coconut oil, butter, and more. I'll tell you the exact time and temperature. Honey and syrup, 105 degrees, 2 to 4 hours. Add a teaspoon or 2 of lecithin. Milk, 1 to 2 hours, 165 degrees. Shea butter, 160, 2 to 5 hours. Butter or ghee, 170, 5 hours. Olive oil, 165, 5 hours. All kinds of coconut oil, avocado oil, MCT oil, also 170 for 5 hours. But remember, some people do 160 for 10 hours. You can also infuse oils and butter at 175 for 2.5 hours. It is my personal preference to go a little low and slow. Remember, if there is not fat in what you're infusing, think honey or maple syrup, agave, use lecithin, 1 teaspoon per 2 cups, 2 teaspoons for 4 cups.